I am utilizing the Bit Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bit Integration Dashboard. Now click Create Integration. Now search and select Trigger, which is WPFunnel. Copy the webhook URL and fetch the data. Now go to WPFunnel Dashboard. Click on Edit. Now click on three dots in the top right corner. Then click on Webhook. Add webhook. Give a name. And paste here the webhook URL. Select Request Method. Select Request Format. Select Webhook Event. Then click on Save. Now go to your form and fill in the form to fetch data. Submitted. After submitting the form, go to the Bit Integrations dashboard. And here you can see data has been fetched successfully. Now click on Set Action. Search and select Action Demio. Give here an API key and API secret key. So please visit the Demio API key and API secret key. Copy the Demio API key and API secret key and paste it here. Authorized it. Authorization is successfully done. Next, choose an event. Choose a session. Map the respective fields. Here are some advanced features in conditional logic you can use for your own requirement. Next, finish and save it. Let's submit a form. Submit the form. Now go to the Demio site and refresh the page. You can see the data came successfully in the Demio site. Thanks for watching.